Hello everybody, SF Info here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to hide mutual friends on Facebook options. So it's an easy process. So let's start. First of all, update and open your Facebook app from your Play Store or App Store. After that, just click to the three dot menu here and then scroll down and click to the settings and privacy options. After click to the settings options, then click to the profile setting option. After that, just click to the privacy options and scroll down, and then you can see who can send you friend request option and who can see your friend list options. Just click to the who can see your friend list options and then click to the only me options. Or you can see your options is on public or friends. Just click to the only me options. After you click to the only me option, Facebook will don't send or Facebook won't share your friends with anyone, or don't suggest your friends to mutual to someone. So that's the process how you can hide mutual friends on Facebook options. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.